kitchen and I cannot wait to show you. Oh my word. I love how this turned out. I want to start out with this is all brand new, okay? So we have, this was kind of, we moved the lights, but this was kind of what was here before. There was like a smaller little one. We basically extended this all the way to have, two 30-inch drawer sets and one 36-inch. So if you come out, you guys know my love affair with drawer sets. So we have, look at these huge drawers here. So much storage that we don't even know what to do with. I think they're gonna actually not have enough stuff to put in here. But look behind me. This right here leads up to this amazing hood. Now here is kind of the fun part about being creative, is that this was actually 6 inches this way and they had a smaller cooktop and a microwave. Gosh, I almost forgot what was here before. A microwave, which is not my favorite. Sometimes it's just necessary because you don't have space, but they had room in their pantry, so we moved it in there. We ordered a 36-inch range, glorious, it's beautiful. Built out this amazing hood, moved this 6 inches, so that one stayed. We built that to the ceiling, and then we moved this cabinet over 6 inches as well. I went ahead and extended this. Look at this cute little addition right here. This is what, when you have this little space that you want to build this out so it finishes the stone, just a little, I don't know. I mean, you can put anything there, really. But the other thing I want to show you really quick is on the back side of this island, when you add on, this just looks like an island, back side. Awkward way to say it. But here we have, look at all the storage that we just added for them. Here's the crazy thing, you guys, is that we have 4 storage cabins. 1, 2, 3, 4. We pretty much took their whole kitchen and doubled it with storage, which is amazing. Then we just went ahead and added even more storage, which is crazy because we came over here. Now, originally this table was right about here, and they had all this no man's land over here. So we moved this over to the right, and this was literally this little nook that had nothing in it. Doesn't it look like this was meant to be here? They had this Craftsman trim here. We just went ahead and left that. So that's like that little mini backsplash there. Jurassic Black, which is my favorite. And then of course, a ton more storage. I wanna show you a cool little trick. Look what we did. Over here, instead of having a plug out where you can see it, we just made a little hole right here, and then the plug can go right down in there, and that's what we did over here. So you don't even see any of your cords. And the best part is, you can put an extension cord and make this a charging station. The plug is right in the back of that cabinet. So, another one done, 5 days, maybe, about 5, in a week. And I really love how it turned out. Super clean, super bright and airy. And this is all one big area, so it's amazing to have it be all bright and airy here and flow together. So on to the next one. We'll see you next week.